so where are we going?
So this is our first investment, and we're gonna now go to the next one, which is very far away, so we're gonna walk there.
Yeah, it's very far away, so we're gonna walk there. So we've got people investing all over the world using these kind of principles, but people always ask us, is it good to invest in close vicinity, or is it good to just branch out and diversify in different areas? So follow this and we'll show you. So when we were at the other property, Ray was doing like the viewing with a tenant.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why we made just in this there. But so give us the numbers on this one.
So this one we actually purchased for £155,000.
But it looks bigger.
It's a lot bigger than the other one, and it wasn't pre-auction. And we're getting more studios out of this one, so it's going to be 3 double en-suites and 3 studios.
And there's going to be dual occupancy as well.
Dual occupancy, yeah. So we've been turned down on the planning. Sui generous, 8 people. So we've put in a planning appeal, and it's just going through at the minute.
So just very politely and politically explain, you know, what was the process of all of that and what's been happening with people on the street.
So they don't like us, basically.
No, it's not that they don't like us as people. They just was unsure about what HMO was and thought that it wasn't going to be high spec for professionals, which it is. So that was where their concerns from. That's where we got the objections from, and that's why it went to appeal. And it is our fault. We should have been more clear with the neighbours from the beginning.
I was just about to ask, what would you do differently?
So we would have.
Oh, I see. So Ray answers this question.
Yeah.
We'll get the neighbours on board. Simple as that.
Yeah. Go around, speak to all the neighbours, have a chat with them, say exactly what we do and how it will benefit them as well. Give them our number, just be approachable, build a relationship with them, and most importantly I think it's to show them this in our first time and exactly what we do already and the standard that we provide.
But also, let's think about it like, you know, councils do things, governments do things, other companies build, you know, estates, train stations, airports, so not everyone's on board.
Yeah, that's true, you can't win everyone.
Yeah, so you're not going to be able to please everybody, but at the same time, if you do the right thing for the right reason, then, you know, it works out, doesn't it?
Absolutely, every time, yeah, that's the number 1 rule.
Yeah, so purchase 155, so what's all the money in? Refurb, cost, everything?
So the refurb and the cost, we're looking around £110,000.
So 110, so all money is 265?
Yeah, 265.
So then, what, have you had a prop valuation?
We did, and it was very low. But that was with 1 studio, and that come in at 295,000. However, with the ASTs and the contracts we're going to provide, we're going to hopefully push the gross.
And you've now changed it to 3 studios.
We've changed it to 3 studios, so we've upped the value there, and we're going to provide them contracts when they come round, so they know we're getting high rents, and we're going to hopefully achieve around 340 to 350,000.
Is that just based on
per calendar month? It's definitely not 350 grand a month. Otherwise, I would have 100 of these.
Well, let's not roll it out. But so, and if you did have 100 a week, and you could sell, Yeah, but so you're actually going into this not knowing for sure, based on a prop valuation, that valuation is achievable.
Yeah, I think because we're very clear on what the yield and things like that is, that the value we use it as, we know that once we provide them with the rents we can achieve, because the comparables in this area are low, so that's why they're going off rents that are low in the area and not rents we know we can achieve.
Yeah, we've basically spoke to valuers who have told us the yield multiplier for this area, so as long as we can achieve the rent that matches the yield multiplier, then we should be able to get within range of the all money out figure. But if not, we leave money in, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, okay, good. So it's good if you subscribe to this channel and wait for the later videos to see when this project is done, that you can actually see if that's what was achieved or not. Yeah, because some people, they have to see things before they believe things.
Yeah.
So how far away is it?
Believe it or not, this is 6 weeks until completion on this.
And then, so you can start the refinance a little bit earlier, so...
Yeah, we'll start the refinance in 3 or 4 weeks.
Or so.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So let's have a look. This one is a little bit difficult because still very much bang in the middle of build phase and all the rest of it, so we've got to be a little bit careful. I think what we'll do is we're just going to give you a swoop around so you can see it.
Yeah, so this is the ensuite. This is nice and built, it's a big ensuite. This is the joists, which are going to be lowered because we're going to have a studio bedroom up there. And to the left here, we've actually had a chimney taken out. We've ordered a steel, and we're going to have a steel support to support the steels up there. This is the hallway where we're going to have stairs installed to go up into the loft. This is the kitchen. We've had all the drainage dug out. This is to upgrade the incoming water pipe, and then this is all been dug out for the drainage for the ensuites upstairs and also for the studio. This used for the kitchen. This is now the ensuite, and this is a bedroom. This is bedroom number. Yeah, we're looking good.